We learned to skank in a dusty field. Vans half-tied, sunburned and real. Bosstones taught us how to stomp. Real big fish said laugh it off. Less than Jake gave us the keys. Basement shows and busted knees. No doubt on a mixtape worn Sublime at dusk till the cops came on. From PUNKSKATAWNY to the war parade. Cheap merch tables, bad decisions made. This song's for the bands that raised us right. Blown speakers, sweaty nights. If you hear your name, yeah, that's on purpose. We're still here cause you showed us service. We stole your chords, we stole your heart in a muddy lot behind the art. So here's our toast, here's our thanks from the Phils to every band that cried. Rancid riffs and Aquabats capes. Voodoo Glow Skulls smash the gates. Say Ferris horns cut through the heat. Dance hall crashers on repeat. Suicide machines taught speed. Mustard plug gave us what we need. Skink and pickle, buck 09. Pie tasters kept the groove in line. Goldfinger fast assorted jelly beans. Hip was swinging in between. This song's for the bands that raised us right. Sunburned kids, endless nights. If you hear your name, yeah, don't be shy. You're the reason we even try. From busted bands to warp romance, you taught some groundhogs how to dance. Link 80 blue meanies wild. Hep cat smooth, mad caddy smiled. The Slackers late night city glow. Edna's goldfish blinklinated to go. Pennywise scream social D swung. Face to face when the sing along song. Descendants saw us heart and soul. Bouncing souls made Jersey home. Who taught you how to fly? Who taught you how to fail? Who made you pick up a beat on board and think you could change it all? This song's for the bands that lit the fuse. Every scar, every tune. We're still skanking, still underground, still making noise in our own town. So if the past is calling, yeah, we answer back with updrawn chords and a checkerboard crowd. From Warped Tour days to now, somehow we're still here, still too loud. Thanks for the noise, thanks for the spark. You made some critters start a band and never stop.